Hey guys, ever wanted to hook a friend up with Telegram Premium? Maybe for their birthday or just because they're tired of running into file size limits and slow downloads, but you had no idea how to actually send it to them? Most people think you have to log into their account or jump through a million hoops, but Telegram actually built a super seamless way to gift a prepaid subscription directly inside the app.
First things first, open up Telegram and head straight to the profile of the person you want to gift it to. You can just tap on their name or photo at the top of an active chat. Once you're looking at their profile page, look for a menu icon in the top right corner. Tap that menu and you'll see an option that says Gift. Go ahead and tap it. From here, Telegram will let you choose the duration of the subscription, usually options like 3, 6, or 12 months. Keep in mind that buying these prepaid chunks often comes with a nice little discount compared to paying month to month. Once you pick your time frame, you'll review the total cost and complete the secure payment right through your App Store account or via Telegram's native payment system. As soon as the payment goes through, the subscription is instantly delivered straight into your private chat with that person as a special animated gift box message. When they tap it, a cool little animation plays, and their account is instantly upgraded to Telegram Premium with all the perks unlocked. It makes for an awesome, hassle-free digital gift for any tech-savvy friend. Give it a try if you're looking to surprise someone today, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Catch you in the next one.